What if I told you a flying car from India just took off without a drop of petrol or diesel? This is Hapida SKYNeX, a single-seat electric flying vehicle developed by innovator Ravi Tamta from Kaflikhan village in Almora, Uttarakhand. Instead of a conventional engine, SKYNeX uses electric motors and multiple propellers, borrowing technology from modern drones to generate vertical lift. And here's what makes it fascinating. The vehicle can take off vertically and hover without needing a traditional runway. Ravi has already test-flown the prototype, and videos of the flight have attracted attention across social media. But there's a catch. This isn't a commercial flying car yet. It still needs to prove its range, battery endurance, safety, stability, redundancy, and aviation certification before it can become everyday transportation. But one thing is undeniable. A grassroots Indian innovator is experimenting with personal electric flight from the hills of Uttarakhand. Would you actually ride this flying car? Comment yes or no.